Hey guys, Sports Cards 24/7. This is a response video for a contest that bell ring our cords. The contest was you need to say your favorite team and how you started liking them. As you all know, my favorite team are the Colts. So, how I like them, I was watching a game. I wasn't really a big fan of the Colts back then, but I was watching a game, and my favorite player is T.Y. Hilton, and so I don't know I forget who they were playing, but they just had a huge sweep. I think T.Y. had 3 touchdown catches. It was awesome, and that's when I started liking them. And my cousins, they live in Indiana, so they're also fans. So that's why I like them. I also like their colors. Don't know why, but anyways, speaking of the Colts, I did get a fan pack from the Colts. So here is what they sent me. This keychain. Cool banner, which I'm going to hang up in my room. Whoops. Packet schedule. A magnetic schedule. Magnetic. I don't know what to call that. Anyways, the best thing they sent me was this sick picture. Not the whole team, but some of the best players on there. That was it from them. That's actually a really good fan pack. I just got done with another TTM. I just quickly did this. It is from John Harbaugh. I don't know how to say that, but I heard he signed, so sent that out. And yeah, Sports Cards 24/7 signing out. See ya.